Hi Chemistry, I just want to do 4 quick oxidation number examples that I think will help. 3 of them involve oxygen, so that should be interesting. Okay, so we're just going to determine the indicated oxidation numbers. So this is magnesium oxide. So this should be setting bells off in your head. It's ionic, okay? So we just use the ionic charges. Let's have a look. So magnesium is +2, there I found it. And as we know, oxide is -2. Remember, your data booklet doesn't give you ionic charges for anions, which is a little strange, but these guys, the halogens, are -1, these guys will be -2, and you got a couple of -3s right here. So it is just progressively goes down as you go to the left. -1, -2, -3. Okie dokie. So it's just -2. It's oxide. Okay, oxide has an oxidation number of -2. Let's look at this one, MgO2. Okay, this one's suspicious. We know magnesium has an ionic charge of +2. That means that this O2 must have an ionic charge of -2. That is peroxide. Okay, O2 2- ion. So that means this is magnesium peroxide, and oxygen in peroxide has an oxidation number -1 because there's 2 of them and they add up to -2. Okay, so you might think that if you see a metal and then O2, it must be a peroxide. It's not actually that simple, as you'll see in part C. Okay, the only reason this is a peroxide is because magnesium has an ionic charge of +2. Let's see what's going on with this zirconium here. All right, so this is ZrO2. We have to determine if this is an oxide or peroxide. Zirconium, ionic charge is +4. Okay, that means that this is oxide. This is just going to be 2 O's that are -2. If you want to solve it algebraically, you put a little X there. We know zirconium's +4. We got 2 of these X's. It has to add up to 0. Okay, but this is just an oxide. Okay, again, because the zirconium's charge of +4, meaning each of these oxygens were -2. Zirconium peroxide would be ZrO4, but that's not what we have. Okay, I got one more here. So this is again ionic, magnesium, and then this is called hydrogen phosphate. There are different ways you can approach these. I kind of just like ignoring the first ion and just focusing on the hydrogen phosphate. Okay, so HPO4, right? I just look it up, -2. Or we know magnesium is +2 from up here, so HPO4 has to be -2. So if we're looking for P, I'll call that X. We know this oxygen is -2. We know hydrogen's +1, so it's going to be 1 plus X plus 4 times -2 has to equal -2. So we can solve this. Okay, I'm going to add 8, subtract 1. I think we're going to end up with 5. Okay, I hope this helps. Good luck out there.